In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kling AI for free. By the end, you'll be comfortable logging in, choosing the right tool, writing a clear prompt, dialing in key settings, and generating your first result without paying a cent. First, log into Kling AI. Head to the official website or app and sign in with your account. If you're new, create a basic account with only the required information and keep your credentials private. Once you're in, you'll land on the home interface where all the creative tools are easy to access. Next, select the function you want to use. If you choose text to video, you'll describe what you want, and Kling AI will generate a moving clip from your words. If you pick image to video, you'll guide the motion and style using a single image as a visual anchor. Choose the option that matches your goal for this project. If your workflow benefits from a visual starting point, add a reference image. This step is optional but powerful. Use a clear, well-lit image with the main subject centered and uncluttered. Make sure you have rights to use it. The better the image, the more consistent and coherent your output tends to be. Now type your prompt. Be specific. Describe the subject, action, setting, mood, and any visual style cues you care about. For example, instead of saying a car driving, try a sleek red sports car driving along a coastal highway at sunset, cinematic lighting, smooth camera glide. Clear descriptive language helps the model deliver what you imagine. Then configure your settings. This is where you set aspect ratio to match your platform, choose a duration within the free limits, and adjust style or guidance strength if available. Subtle tweaks go a long way. A touch more guidance can lock in your look, while a touch less can encourage variety. Keep quality and size conservative on the free tier to avoid long waits. Keep in mind that pushing for longer lengths or higher output may require a premium plan. If the interface flags a limit, scale back duration, resolution, or batch size to stay within free usage. A reliable approach is to generate shorter clips first, make sure the concept works, and only then consider longer versions if you decide to upgrade later. Finally, hit generate. Your project will queue and render. On the free tier, wait times can vary, so give it a moment. When your result is ready, preview it. If something feels off, refine your prompt or adjust a setting and generate again. Iteration is normal and often the fastest path to a great result. That's it. You've used Kling AI for free. Log in, choose a tool, add a reference if needed, write a clear prompt, configure smartly, respect free limits, and generate. Happy creating.